So at first you need to take the pin out, which is a little bit on the left where the door handle is underneath. You just push it with a little screwdriver up, all the way up, and then you basically start with the plastic tools, either from the back or from the front. You unclip the clips. So here's the front goes, clips unclipped. Go from the bottom. There we go. Just like that. Then the easiest way to get it unclipped easier, to slide the plastic removal tool all the way on the top. You'll see it in a few seconds, and it will basically just come right off. Make sure all the clips are off, and there we go, pretty much off, and you can easily remove it. Pull the door handles to make it just a little bit easier, and don't forget to take the plastic off, and just be safe. And here you go, you have 3 T30 screws that you'll have to remove, and the rest are clips. It's easy as that. So use T30 screwdriver or impact gun, whatever you have. There's only 3 screws, shouldn't be a big deal. Take them off. Then with the plastic removal tool, always just your hands, whichever you prefer. We like to start on the bottom right corner and go all the way around, and you can feel the clips just unclip. Then you move it right, and where the finger is, you need to put the tape here, because the metal piece, the aluminum trim, can easily scratch the plastic, especially when you put it in the back. And you just wiggle it around and you take it right off. The speaker is actually on the clip, so you can actually take it off as well if you need to. So here you go, it's ready for whatever you need to do with the door panel, for tinting, and etc. Thank you.